Welcome to Fun Learn class. Let's have fun, play, and learn. Kids, are you ready to learn ABC with yummy food? Let's have fun together.
A for apple. B for bread. C for cake. D for donut. E for egg. F for French fries. G for grapes. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for noodles. O for orange. P for pizza. Q for quinoa. R for rice. S for sandwich. T for tomato. V for vanilla cake. W for watermelon. X for xylocarp. Y for yam. Z for zucchini. Very nice, kids. If you like the video, parents can like, share and subscribe.
Bye, friends. See you in Fun Learn class.